Hey guys, Jonathan Snipes here from Snipes Farm and Education Center. We're out here on a beautiful day on Snipes Farm, and I'm here with Jen Rogers from Steward Green and David Hughs from WeatherWood Design, and something so awesome is going on today. We are building the new bird blind to add to our nature trail so that when you visit Snipes Farm on the 5 weekends in October for our Fall Fest, you can observe the wildlife and experience the beauty of the farm. David, can you tell us what the construction, how that's going to happen?
Sure. Yeah, we're very excited today to be working with a company out of Lancaster called Lab Structures. And Jen and I have worked together to design the structure, and they have brought all the components and pieces, and they will be putting the structure together, and by the end of the day we will have a full wildlife blind structure.
Wow.
And when you folks get out here to Snipes Farm, there is a load of wildlife for you to view from this blind. There's great songbird species, things like tree swallows and chimney swifts flying high. If you look a little closer to you, lots of wildflowers and butterflies.
And so we're looking forward to seeing you those 5 weekends in October 2022 this year. Check us out on social media, go to our website and get all the info. Thank you guys.